Hello! Today we are going to learn how to uninstall Windows 11 application from the system using two different methods. Let's jump into the first one. Click on the Windows icon and then on the settings. From there, navigate to Apps tab on your left and then click on the Apps and Features. In this window, you have selection of applications that are already installed on your device. Now to uninstall, click on the three dots next to the application that you want to remove and then click on the uninstall. After a brief moment, application will be removed. Now, when first method is out of the way, let's jump to the second one. Click on the Windows icon and then type Control Panel in search. Once app is visible, click on it. The window you see here may be slightly different for you. If it is, go to the top right and change View By to Category and then click on the Uninstall a program. In this window, you can select the application that you want to remove by clicking on it and then clicking on Uninstall. You'll be prompted with User Account Control, on which you can click Yes, and then application removal will initiate. Congratulations! You now know how to remove application from your Windows 11 device. And that's it for today's video. Please leave a like if it was helpful for you, and I see you in the next one.